And lastly, I'm going to show you guys how to access this on your phone. So hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we have a very exciting product here that I'm about to unbox right now. This is the VAVA2K Dashcam, and it also records the cabin as well, but the cabin is going to be recording at 1080p. It's actually a cool product. I did a lot of research on it before getting it, and this is what I'm basically looking for. Now we're going to install this in the Explorer. So this is what the product looks like. It's a 2K dual dash cam, front and cabin, and it has night vision and parking mode. So basically it takes like a 15 seconds recording. It has loop recording and all that kind of stuff. So here's the box of the camera, showing you guys all the sides. In case you need any information from here, you can just stop the video and see. So it should be something simple and all that stuff. So let's open it up. This is a very well-known company, by the way. Alright, smart, made simple. That's something that everybody can appreciate. Okay, we got a package here with all the paperwork and stuff. Here is the actual camera. I love this packaging. Look how much cushion this has. Here's the actual device, guys. It looks like a freaking GoPro, really. I think this is the mount, so I think it just mounts just like that, like a magnet or something like that, but we'll get to see that in a bit. So it has a screen as the same size of a, you know, big GoPro, and here's the cabin camera. It has those lights, as you can see, for night vision, and here's the front camera. Okay, so that's pretty much it, except for there's some buttons here, OK button, and then up and down, and then there's another button, I guess, to press for options, picture button, and then, you know, replay button. And you can also twist this around to, you know, set your angle and stuff like that. There's a USB port here. I think this is where you actually, you know, power your camera with. Yep, there's no other thing. And here's where your SD card goes. Now I got a 128, but you can basically insert up to 256. Bad part is it doesn't come with any SD card. Now everything in the box right here, as you can see, are labeled simply, so you know what's in the boxes. So here's our first box, and it's a little button. This button basically takes a picture, and you know, it sends to your phone. Here's our mount. I'm just opening all the boxes to let you guys see what's going on here, and we're gonna do all the wiring in a bit. Here's the suction cup. It's covered, so it's protected from dust and everything. We're gonna take that off when we, you know, install this. And this is the mount here. So yeah, it is magnet. It's a very strong magnet. Need some force to actually take it down, so that's pretty good, you know, going off-road or anything like that. It's not gonna come off. And here's some clip, and here's the power adapter. So you know, it has two, and basically you can use this. We got a pry tool to basically hide the wires through these things. And here's our wire. It's super long, so you know, it should be good. We can even route this to the back of the car if we don't want it, you know, visible anywhere here. First thing that we're gonna do is position the camera. And by the way, this also records your audio, and you can turn the screen off and then, like, you know, mute the audio or whatever, you know, whenever you like. So the big screen that you see is the front, and then the little part is the back. As you can see, the camera on the back one. So you know, when you try to get your footage off, it's not gonna be like, you know, one screen bigger, one screen small on the corner. It's gonna be two separate files, so don't worry about that. So I can see up to the window and stuff, so that's good enough for me. So let's mount this in the middle. I don't think any car would have problem, because most cars doesn't have this thing here. So yeah, that should be good. So I'm taking this off, and basically to restore this, all you do is you know, get some warm water, clean it up. It should restore the suction, and here we are. Okay, it's in the middle, and press it in, and it's locked. Okay, it's not coming off. All right, we're gonna put our camera in and do the wiring later. Okay, that's what it kind of looks like. It looks pretty nice. We're gonna try our best to not see any wiring at all. It's a long wire. We'll see how long that goes. Okay, but basically I'm gonna work my way, and I'm gonna try to go to the back side, and I'm gonna try to go through the passenger side. So if in case this comes off while I'm driving or anything, it doesn't interfere with my driving. It's not that hard. Okay, we're coming this way. Okay, so bad news. Our cigarette lighter in the back is actually on that side, on the driver's side. So we can't actually route the wires through that side, because it'd be a lot of hassle to just cross the whole car and then go back. All right, so that's the first one, the first bracket that I just installed, and now we're gonna go up here. Okay. All right, so you guys see how that went. You're gonna see it, but it's not gonna bother you because it's not gonna be dangling everywhere. There's nothing you can do. This literally falls between the fabric and then the plastic. So I think the best way to go is the glass. What do you think? Yeah, right, because you don't want to put on the fabric. Okay guys, so here's the final thing that we did here. So what we did is we went through this side, and since this kind of tucked it in nicely and all that, it shouldn't come off while driving or anything like that. So I'm not really worried about it. So I took it through the driver's side, but if you don't have that problem, then you don't need to worry about it. This is a huge car. I got like 3 rows of seating here, so that's a problem, but I don't think you should have that problem if you don't have a big car like this. So basically we ran through the top, and then coming down here. This is all the way in the back. As you can see, I'm literally sitting in the trunk, and this is all the way in the back, and this is where I stuck the cigarette lighter in, and this is where it came down to. Okay, here's the wire that I'm gonna be seeing. Okay, going right from the camera to that. I went through a lot of comments and stuff, and people had a lot of problem with the actual SD card. Class 1 wouldn't even work. You need a class 3 V30, because it records 30 frames per second. So it says to pair it, you need to hold this for like 5 to 30 seconds. So holding it, there you go, it just worked. You hear that?
It's making a picture taking noise.
So you would have to find a smooth place to put the button in. So one side got the engine thing, one side you got this. Let's pair this up. All right, so you got to get this app here. I think this is it. Obviously I don't like reading the manual, but VAVA Dash. Lastly, I'm gonna show you guys how to access all the footages. Now it's very, very simple. As you see, I just got in and it connected to the phone, and right now it's gonna show whatever I see in front of me and in the cabin. So as you can see on the left corner, you guys see me filming, and then the front we can see whatever's in front of me. And in order for us to access the footages, let's go back, and we're gonna tab the 3rd tab here, and basically these are all the pictures that I took. So here's a picture of inside the cabin. So this, we took it with the button, and here's the front side of it is when we took that photo, and this is what it looked like in front. So that's pretty cool. If you can you can take good quality picture. And here is the rest of the stuff. Now these are, as you can see, very, very recent. It's 6:55 right now on the corner of the phone, and this footage is from 6:49. In order for you to see it, you're gonna have to press that download button and download the footage. So video recording interrupted, that's okay. So it's not gonna be recording when you are in the process of downloading. It does take a while for it to download. I don't know why, but you just have to wait until this downloads up. And here is all the footages. As you can see, I have footages from very long time ago as well. This is I have in total 338 files in here. So this is when the car was parked on the other side of the street as well. You know, you can see all these videos that I have in here. So that's a lot of videos and stuff. And here's the emergency stuff. I think this is when we press the button or anything like that. I'm not really sure about this one, but let's see this one. This is another vehicle in front of us. This was in Whole Foods. As you can see on the left side, that's Whole Foods. This was earlier today, and I guess it's because my brother was inside the car. That's probably why it was recording. And that is pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer them for you. And thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. I guess it's probably because we know all the functions and how we know where each vent is, and we know which one to open and how to open.